Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a smart trunk in the all-new 2026 Kia EV4. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the first method is the button down right up underneath the trunk here to the right of the backup camera, and you just go ahead and press that button and it's going to open up. And that can be when the vehicle is unlocked or you just have the key fob in your pocket, it will unlock for you. Second method is from inside the cabin, just to the left of the steering column, this button right here. Our third method is right from the key fob, this hold button right in the middle. We're gonna press and hold that for a second and it'll pop open. And the last method, when the vehicle is locked and off and you've been away from it for a few, you have the key fob in your pocket, maybe your hands are full, come up to the back of it. It's gonna know when the key fob is here, it's gonna blink and start beeping. When it hits that fourth beep, it's just gonna go ahead and pop open for you just to assist you. You can also turn this feature off if you're not a fan of it. We're gonna go into our CCNC, hit setup, we're gonna go to vehicle, door, we're gonna scroll in the middle a little, and you can turn smart trunk on and off as you want to. Your choice. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.